Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can join the chat room on the game server. So firstly, what you have need to do is click this chat button. This is the chat room of your server. As you can see, there's so many world player using this chat room to make a conversation or make a talk to other player. You can invite them to your game room, and also give information about the game itself. And also you can chat your friend list in here, or chat your clan privately in this chat room. As you can see, there is a friend that send the link join the game to join the game. You can click this link to join to playing together with a world's friend. So that's all for today. Thank you. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.